YouTube? It's Aaron here with another video. This one's going to be a quick one on how to save an audience for your Facebook ads. So let's say you do all your market research, which I talk about a lot, and that's very important, and you make an audience, but let's say you don't have the creative ready or you don't have the copy ready. So what you want to do is you want to save that audience, so that way whenever you're ready, you can just pop it into your Facebook ads and then just click on a button, then you'll be good to go. So let me show you how to do just that in this video. So the first way to do it is just through the ads manager itself. So you just click on create an ad. We'll start over, hit traffic, and then continue. And then what you want to go is, now we're at the ad set level. So what we do now is we go here to the targeting stuff. So let's say we're gonna want to target let's say we're gonna target YouTube viewers. So we're just gonna type in YouTube, and there's a YouTube school. Okay, so it's YouTube, the interest, and video games. We're targeting YouTube gamers, video games, and politics. I don't know. Like, we're targeting YouTube gamers who are into politics and political parties and hoo-ha and whatnot. Okay, so let's say I make this audience, but I don't have the creative, or I don't have the rest of the ad structure yet. So if I want to save it, all you have to do is just go down here and just click on save this audience. And then you can just save it as whatever you want. So in this case, I'm just going to save it as YouTube gamer politicians, and then you click on save. And then if you want to use that save audience in your Facebook ad, all you have to do is you're on the audience here, usually here, to create new audience, just click on use save audience, and then it should appear right there. Yep, right here. So another way to do it is through Audience Insights, which I talk about in another one of my videos, which I'll have right up there as an iCard. So let's just go into Audience Insights. Oh, and by the way, to go to Audience Insights, if you don't know already, just click on these three bars and click on Audience Insights. Okay, so now that we're on Audience Insights, so we type in YouTube, and let's say, okay, what do they like? And we see that, they also like Spencer's and Weird History. So let's add that here, Weird History. If they have it, or let's add in Netflix, since that's also a very popular one. So let's say you do your market research and create an audience based off that. So what you can do now is, then once you're done creating your audience, you just click save up here. And then you can save your audience name as whatever. So it'll just be like Netflix. So yeah, that's how you save an audience on Facebook. But let's say now you want to make sure that those audience don't overlap, because audience overlap is really bad, because it affects your delivery when it comes to Facebook ads, because it's like your two ad sets are competing for the same audience, and you don't want your ads to compete against each other. So to see how much your audience overlaps, you want to go click up here and then click on audiences. Okay, so now that we're on the audience page, let's pick two audiences to compare. So these are an audience from another one of my ad accounts. So I'm just gonna click this one and this one. And then you wanna go on the three dots here and then click on show audience overlap. So as you can see here, I have a huge audience overlap. So if I was running ads to this audience, I would not want to split test them against these two ads, because there's pretty much so much overlap that Facebook is going to have a hard time showing your ads to the respective audience and you getting an effective result on the split test. So pretty much you want this overlap percentage to be either at 13% or lower. Anything else, you want to either combine those ad sets into the same ad, or you want to refine your targeting for the most part. So yep, that is exactly how to save an audience and how to avoid audience overlap. If you got value from this video, please let me know with a like. So now you can watch the video I have up there that's going to talk about 10 copywriting tips that are going to skyrocket your ads. So that way, with your non-overlapping audiences, they can see the effective copy that you're writing, and Facebook will have no trouble delivering your ads to those people. I'll see you guys in that video.